Hello children, today we are going to learn about ending consonant blends and K words. Let's get started. Letter N sounds and letter K sounds k. Together, letter N and K sounds nk. Kids, can you repeat the sound after me? Nk. Nk. Now let's practice some words that ends with nk sound. Let's get going. Ink. Pink. Sink. Wink. Bank. Thank. Think. Skunk. Let's practice more. Repeat after me. Rank. Tank. Link. Honk. Junk. Blank. Blink. Stink. Shrink. Chunk. Ankle. Twinkle. Donkey. Kids, now practice session. Can you try to read the words one by one? Let's get started. Good job, kids. Good reading. Bye-bye, kids. See you later. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon for the new video alerts. Link to all my phonics videos are given below in the description box. Keep watching.